you ever felt.
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello, so today we have with us the Insta360 Twin Edition. So this is basically a 360 camera which is modular. That means you can take out the battery, the processing piece and the lens separately, and you can replace it with a simple GoPro camera, or you can just have your 360 camera, and it uses GoPro mounts. So no worries, you can have whatever mount you want on it with your GoPro setup. But is this so good? Can this replace my GoPro? And how or what can I use it for? So first thing, let's compare the simple action camera lens with our GoPro footage and see how it turns out. So let's start with the first comparison between the GoPro Hero 8 and the Insta360 action camera mod. And this is what you're seeing right now is the GoPro Hero 8 as I've labeled. Keep your eye on the label to see what footage is playing when, if you're confused at any point. And over here we have our Insta360. Now first thing that pops out for us is this is quite punched in. I have not edited anything, I have not zoomed anything. This is how it is. Both of them were recorded at 2.7K 60 fps. So there is no super view option in the Insta360, because of which you can see that the widest camera angle that we get is this wide. It's not exactly the super view that you get in your GoPro, so you don't get that immersive feeling. And second thing that we can observe, you can see the screen, the image is quite clear, it feels classy, it feels good. But in the Insta, it's just too sharp. It gives a little bit of a Chinese camera feel because of that. And because the image is already too sharp, now if I try to do any other editing in this, it's going to just break out the image. It's going to actually just distort it rather than fix anything. But fixing this is like polishing a turd. It's useless, so you might not as well do it. And for this GoPro footage, I had actually kept my recording with high bitrate, low sharpness, and also neutral color. That's why you will see the color is not exactly what it should be. I usually color correct my GoPro footage because I shoot at neutral color. I think I can say this for everyone in the motovlogging community. Just the super view itself, the super view that we have, it sells the GoPro. For your motovlogging, I don't think there's any other option than that right now. And including all the sharpness and the detail, basically just how much bitrate we have in a video, it just takes it to that other level. The quality of the colors that we have, the dynamic range that we get, it's quite apparent between just these two clips that we have seen. Yes, there is incredible amount of stabilization in Insta360, and I think removing that will punch it out a little bit, but then you're losing that stability. Whereas in GoPro you have the stabilization and you also have the super view, so overall it helps you. It gives you that better output, that smoother output that you want, with the quality, with that color, and with that finish and finesse. And as I said, with the neutral color and low sharpness and everything, that the settings that I keep for shooting that GoPro footage, overall it sells it more. It tells us that yes, it's a better camera, you might as well go for it. I am not a fan of GoPro. I've had issues with GoPro recently. Controlling it is difficult. I don't think there has been a more user-friendly camera ever since the Hero 4. But still, when it comes to quality, when it comes to stabilization, I think Hero 8, right now we have the Hero 9, but for me I have the Hero 8. I have not tried the Hero 9. So the Hero 8 is a benchmark. And at least for the action camera setup, the Osmo could not match it. I was going to compare these footage, and then if the footage was comparable to GoPro, then I was going to buy the adapter for Insta and I was going to test the sound. But because this is where we stand, I don't think there's any point of me buying that adapter. You see, I have this Osmo Pocket for the one-on-one whenever we want to do that. I have the GoPro Hero 8 for my motovlogging setup, and I have the Insta360 for doing what it does best, 360 shots. Now, since we're talking about Hero 8 having super view and doing so much better than Insta360, I was curious. Insta360 has 360 video, and even when you punch it in a little bit, take a normal kind of view, the quality is way better than when you compare it to a normal camera action lens. So what if we could mount that on our GoPro mount? Now I did try that and the results were not at all disappointing. I'm loving the shot. Yes, my arms look like Stretch Armstrong and it looks like I have way too long arms, and there is some clipping over here. You can see the wire coming over here. I tried connecting a mic, it was not working. So yeah, this wire over here, there is some clipping on my arms in between, a little bit, not too much, not at all disappointing, but it is what it is. So it's there, you can see clearly over here. So yes, the quality is way too good. The super view looks beautiful. You can see a lot of the bike. The view is looking amazing. I'm loving everything. Even the color is perfect, because right now it doesn't have too much color in it. It doesn't have too much sharpness in it. So I can do a lot of processing and make it look really good. But there is one major drawback because of which I cannot use this as a mount. First thing, obviously, as I said, I was not considering the adapter, the microphone adapter, because the action cam quality was not so good, but now we see the quality is good. But I won't be considering, because when you record this, you can see every single dot is a keyframe for just like, how much is this? This is 7, 8, 9. For 2 minutes I had to do so much keyframing, because every time the bike turns, the camera points straight ahead. So if the bike is going left, I'll be still looking in this direction. For example, you can see over here, the bike comes in and it's turning towards the left. Alright, it's going, turning. Okay, so now at this point we have crossed 3 keyframes. What happens if I delete all these keyframes? Now we just have one keyframe where we have set it up. Let's play. We are going, the bike is turning left, and the camera is still pointing in the same direction that we started in. I'll keep on turning left, the camera will keep on turning. So this happens every time the bike turns. Every time the bike turns, the camera is going to point in the same direction. I'll have to reorient, and then on and on and on. And again, I think we go ahead. Here we go. So now the bike is turning right. We are again coming back to the original position. Kind of, not really, but you get the gist. So I already do a lot. Okay, I just don't upload raw footage. I don't like that. I like quality. I prefer quality. So because of that, I change my sharpness a little bit. With every lighting, I do the color correction, brightness, highlight, shadows. All the adjustment is done by me. So overall, I have to do the cutting, I'll have to do the keyframing, then I'll have to do the color correction, then any edition that I'm going to do, any memes, any clips, any insertions. That's way too much. That's way too much of work. So because the action camera mod is not working as good as I wanted it to, and because I have to do way too many keyframings in this particular mod, I'm still trying to find an option where it will just keep on pointing straight. If I can do that, this will be golden. This is what I will be looking for. So let's see if I can find that. There's a lock direction option, but apparently it's not locking, it's just doing the same thing. So I'm still trying. If I find it, well and good, I just put a text over here that I found it, and I might get the adapter and try it. But for now, I think I have a pretty good setup. I've got my GoPro Hero 8, which is recording the main video audio that you're going to enjoy, and then I've got a 360, which is going to shoot all the nice 360 beautiful shots that you can see, high quality, and enjoy the video. I think that's a good combination, and I don't think I need a separate camera, 360 camera, just to record the main. What say? Put your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, press like. If you love this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Here we go.